Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading I Love You, Little One by Nancy Tafuri. Let's get into the video. Today I'll be reading I Love You, Little One. Deep in the woods by the sandy riverbank, a little deer asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Deer says, "Yes, little one. I love you as the river loves you, full and singing before you, giving you cool water to drink. I love you as the river loves you, forever and ever and always." Deep in the woods by the mossy pond edge, a little duck asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Duck says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the pond loves you, wide and calm beneath you, giving you food and places to swim. I love you as the pond loves you, forever and ever and always." Deep in the woods in a dirt dug burrow, a little rabbit asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Rabbit says, "Yes, little one. I love you as the earth loves you, cozy and snug around you, giving you a warm place to sleep. I love you as the earth loves you, forever and ever and always." Deep in the woods in a grassy meadow, a little mouse asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Mouse says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the wild rye loves you, gently swaying above you, giving you food and cover from harm. I love you as the wild rye loves you, forever and ever and always." Deep in the woods in a dark mountain cave, a little bear asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Bear says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the mountain loves you, sturdy and safe around you, giving you shelter from snow and rain. I love you as the mountain loves you, forever and ever and always." Deep in the woods in an oak tree hollow, a little owl asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Owl says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the oak tree loves you, tall and strong beside you, giving you the world to see all around. I love you as the oak tree loves you, forever and ever and always." Deep in the woods in a log-built house, a little child asks, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the stars love you, constant and bright above you, giving you joy and peace and wonder. I love you as the stars love you, forever and ever and always." I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, little one, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.